clear that the fall of it occurred between 1800 to 1700 BC. And the main reasons of the decline of Indus Valley civilization can be predicted as the river may have changed course or some kind of natural disasters, the people may have overworked, or invaders, there must have been dispute with the Aryans. Moving towards the last topic of the chapter, Rig Veda and Indus Valley civilization, and it can be made out through the similarities between Rig Veda and Harappan civilization, that how they were connected with each other. First, the geographical distribution of the Harappan sites can be seen in the light of Rig Vedic geography as well. Second, the geographical features mentioned in the Rig Veda confirms the extension of Vedic civilization from Afghanistan in the north to Gujarat in the south, Ganga in the east to Kabul in the west. Third, the Vedic culture was flourished in the area around the Saraswati river and its tributaries. More than 80% of the Harappan settlements are found around the Saraswati valley, thus it is the main area of Harappans. Fourth, the animals known to the Indus people are also known to the Rig Veda, including sheep, dog, buffalo, bull, etc. Fifth, the animals hunted by the Rig Vedic people were antelopes, buffaloes, lions, and elephants. Most of them were also familiar to the Indus people. Sixth, a terracotta figure of horse found from Lothal. The horse was an important animal in the Vedic period. Horse bones and terracotta figures have been found at some Harappan sites as well. Seventh, some of the religious practices of the Harappan people, like worshipping people tree, bull, Shivlingas, were also found in Rig Veda. Eighth, the Harappan people were aware of using ornaments like earrings, necklaces, bracelets, anklets, garlands, and jewels. And in Rig Veda, also it is mentioned the usage of gold and copper. So, from the above discussed similarities found between the Rig Veda and the Harappan civilization, we led to the conclusion that the Harappan civilization is the same as the Vedic civilization, and the Aryans did not came to India from outside. I hope all of you got the chapter thoroughly, and if not yet, then please go through the text and video once again. Thanks a lot and have a nice day ahead.